Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make longer Instagram reels. So you've probably been pissed that you can only upload Instagram reels for a certain length. But that's not the case at all. You can actually upload longer Instagram reels. But you just need to know what to do first. And what you need to do is of course head over to upload let's first upload the reel, and then we create a reel, and you can see here on the left side of the screen there's something called length. So you just need to set that to whatever or however how long you want your reel to be, and you should be able to create a reel that is Instagram reels. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.